Hey y'all, today I want to do a refresher on gloves made in the USA. If you're a longtime viewer of the channel, you might remember a video I published a long time ago covering 5 American-made glove manufacturers, and that video was posted over 4 years ago. So I figured it's probably about time for an update. We've done a lot of research since then and have been continually updating our written research on allamerican.org with more brands, so if y'all want to check that out, I'll put a link to it in the description below. It's fully comprehensive, going into a ton of detail on every single glove manufacturer that we could find that's made in the USA. Everything from leather gloves to winter and wool varieties and a whole lot more. And I also have some tips on material sourcing and how to do some research of your own in the guide as well. But in this video, I'm going to give y'all the highlight reel of some of the great brands that we've found over the years. So let's dive right in, starting with a couple of pairs that I wear pretty often. And first up is Sullivan Glove. Sullivan Glove's based in Bend, Oregon, and they've been handcrafting great leather gloves since 1941. They offer a lot of work gloves, ranch gloves, motorcycle gloves, and also some more fashionable varieties. The pair that I have is their Roper gloves. I believe these are the bison leather, and they also have elk skin, goat, deer skin, and a lot of other varieties. These are great work gloves in my opinion. They're soft, but also really tough and durable, and I don't lose any dexterity when I'm wearing them, which is obviously really important when you're looking for a solid pair of work gloves. But like I mentioned earlier, they don't just offer work gloves. They have a ton of different options, so definitely check these guys out. Next up is Upstate Stock. Upstate Stock is based in Brooklyn, New York, and I actually got a chance to tour their facility a few years ago, and they put a ton of care into their manufacturing process. I actually have a pair of their fingerless wool and deerskin gloves right here. They're really warm and also have this nice padding on the interior, which is that deerskin material. The yarn for their fingerless gloves is spun and dyed in Pennsylvania, it's knit in New Jersey, and then everything is sewn and finished in New York. Now they also have fingered gloves if fingerless really isn't what you're looking for, and they also have varieties without this deerskin padding here. So if you're looking for just everyday wear wool gloves, these guys are a really good option, and they're pretty affordable too. Next up is Vermont Glove, based in Randolph, Vermont. These leather work gloves are insane. I actually had a pair a couple of years ago. I gifted them to a friend and he never gave them back. They're that good. They're a bit pricier, but definitely the most durable work gloves I've ever encountered, and they're all hand sewn in Vermont. Most of their gloves are made from goat leather, and they also have some wool liner options if you're in a colder climate. Personally, I'd go for the Vermonter if you're looking for the most durable option. That was the pair that I had previously, and then you can look at the Flatlander if you want something a little bit more nimble for a little bit more dexterity. Next up is the Buffalo Wool Company. This company is based in North Texas, where they've been raising their own American bison for almost 30 years. Their bison leather gloves are obviously their flagship product, but they also have a lot of bison down gloves as well as mittens too. BWC also makes socks, beanies, and other knitwear, all using the same supply chain, so definitely check these folks out. Great family-run operation. Next up is Astis. If you're in a super cold climate or you're looking for some great skiing or snowboarding gloves, these guys are an awesome choice. They make long and short cuff mittens that are all really warm, and they come in some pretty cool designs. They actually collaborate with a lot of Native American artists and communities. They use a silicone weatherproofed suede to keep your hands dry, and also have some rabbit fur trim on their gloves, so if you're into winter sports, definitely check out Astis. And one more for y'all is Living Water Fibers and Alpacas. Based in Colorado, if you're looking for alpaca fleece gloves, these guys are it. Everything that they do is knit and sourced locally, and alpaca wool is actually really great for heat retention. It's also really lightweight and naturally water resistant. All right, y'all, that's it for this one. Like I said earlier, link down in the description below for our full research on American-made gloves. And if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Happy hunting.